is Sohee. Today I'm going to share some of the travel phrases that you can use while you're in Korea. I cannot believe that it has been years since I last traveled abroad. It's so exciting that Korea is finally opening up for foreigners to travel in Korea after this long period of COVID-19. I'm sure many of you are waiting to travel in Korea, and maybe some of you has already booked tickets already. Let's just dive into learning about some useful traveling phrases so that you can enjoy your stay in Korea. I will divide this video into 8 sections so you can refer to the useful phrases that you can use in different situations.
Asking for directions.
화장실, washroom. 어디에 있어요? Where is something? 화장실이 어디에 있어요? Where is the washroom? 길, road. 잃었어요. Lost. 길을 잃었어요. I'm lost. 여기, here. 여기는 어디인가요? What is this place? Or where am I at now? So, 서울까지 to. 어떻게? How? 가요? To go. 서울까지 어떻게 가나요? How can I go to Seoul? So here you can replace your destination in the place of Seoul. For example, 강남까지 어떻게 가나요? How can I go to Gangnam?
Transportation.
I'm sure if you're traveling in a foreign city, the best way for you to do so is to get a taxi so that you can get around the city quickly. The Korean word for taxi is just 택시, and we use the verb 타다 to ride for it. 택시 어디서 타면 되나요? Where can I get a taxi? After you got onto the taxi, now you can tell the taxi driver where you are going. The destination, for example, 강남, 강남으로 가주세요. So 주세요 is please. So please take me to Gangnam. If you are braver, then you can try to take the bus. Bus in Korean is 버스. Sometimes you know which number of bus you need to take, but then you may not know if it's the correct direction. Even for me, sometimes I get on the bus for the other direction. Make sure that you ask, 이 버스는 어디로 가요? Where does this bus go? Now that you're on the bus, there's still a challenge for you, which is to listen for the stop's name, the stop where you need to really get off. But then for foreigners, it's just very easy to miss it. Sometimes it's just not until the last moment that you realize, oh, this is actually the stop that I need to get off. In this kind of situation, you will need to say, please open the door for me. 문, the door. 열다, to open. 버스 문 열어주세요. Please open the bus door for me. When you're around the destination, you can tell the taxi driver where exactly is that you want him to stop for you. To stop, 세우다. 여기서 세워주세요. Please stop here for me. If you don't want to take the bus or the taxi, you can take the metro. 지하철. Station, 역. 지하철역이 어디에 있어요? Where's the metro station?
In the restaurant.
If they do not have the menu in the restaurant, you can ask for one. Menu is just menu in Korean. The menu 주세요. Please give me a menu. If you are a vegetarian, you can also tell them as well so that they can recommend the dishes that are suitable for you. Vegetarian, 채식주의자. 저는 채식주의자예요. I'm a vegetarian. If you cannot eat spicy food like me, you can also ask them, 이거, this, 많이, a lot, 맵다, to be spicy. 이거 많이 매운가요? Is this very spicy? A little tip here though. Even though the Korean may say, no, that's not spicy, but most of the time actually you may still find it spicy, but it's still worth to ask. After you have ordered your meal, you can choose to eat in the restaurant or to take out. If you choose to eat in the restaurant, you can say 여기서 먹고 갈게요. And for take out is take out. take out이에요.
In the shop.
Shopping is a big part in Korea. You cannot live without shopping in Korea. Let's say now you're in a clothes shop. Of course, you're going to buy something, right? But you're not going to buy it before you try it. What can you ask? Can I try this on, please? 입다. To wear. 입어봐도 될까요? Can I wear it? And sometimes you like the design, but you don't like the color of the clothes. Then you can ask, 다른, different, 색깔, color. 다른 색깔이 있나요? 50만 원? 너무 비싸요. 너무, too much. 비싸요, expensive. It's too expensive. 작다, to cut down the price. 깎아주세요. Please give me a discount. Small tip here. Not every shops will give you discount or let you try on their clothes. So just move on if they say no. If you don't have enough cash, you can ask if they accept credit card. 카드, credit card. 카드 돼요? If you don't have enough cash, you can ask if they accept credit card. 카드, credit card. 카드 돼요? But it's worth to note that actually most of the shops, they do give some discount if you pay in cash. If you would like to get their tax refund later on, you can ask them for a receipt. 영수증, 영수증 주세요. Please give me a receipt.
In the salon.
If you would like to get a hairstyle just like the K-pop stars, it's worth paying a visit to the hair salon in Korea. Hair salon, 미용실, haircut, 커트. Please give me a haircut. 커트 해주세요. 다듬다, to trim. 좀 다듬어 주세요. Please trim my hair for a little. 염색, to dye. 염색해주세요. Please dye my hair. 파마, perm. 파마 해주세요. Please perm my hair. I strongly recommend you to go to the hair salon for dyeing your hair or perming your hair. But make sure that you have enough time for that because sometimes it will take you a day. You can ask them, how long will it take? How long? 얼마나? Time. 시간. 걸리다. To take. The period of time. 시간. 얼마나 걸려요? How long will it take?
In the movie theater.
I know a lot of you guys watch K-dramas, but how about really going to Korea to watch a movie in the cinema? Choosing the genre is the first step. What? 무슨? Genre. 장르. 이 영화는 무슨 장르예요? What is the genre of this movie? Next up, you can ask if there's any seats available. Seats. 자리. 있다? Have. 자리 있어요? Are there any seats available? And the most important thing to ask, English subtitles. 영어 자막 있어요? Are there any English subtitles?
Miscellaneous.
And anywhere you go, you can just ask if they can speak English first. Can you speak English? And I think the mostly requested question will be, could you take a picture for me? 사진, a picture. 찍다, to take. 사진 찍어 주시겠어요? And if they helped you to take a picture, of course you will say thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. And sorry is 미안합니다. 미안합니다.
Emergencies.
And in any emergencies where you need people to help you, just ask them, 도와주세요. Please help me. And I think a lot of times you need people's help because you have lost something, like maybe your wallet, 지갑, or your passport, 여권. To lose something is 잃다. 지갑을 잃어버렸어요. 여권을 잃어버렸어요. And you put the thing that you've lost in front and then 잃어버렸어요. I've lost that thing. If you're planning to come to travel in Korea, or even if you're staying for a while in Korea, I'm sure that you will benefit from this list that I've compiled for you. This is a list where I put all the useful apps and sites that I find useful in Korea. So you can go to the link in the description box to download it. That's all the travel phrases that I want to share with you today. And if you just happen to come by Korea and you're around the area in Incheon Airport and you're trying to find somewhere to go, watch this video to see the place that I recommend to you.